we've reached the end of what Keith and his ilk call meteorological summer. It's rare that the seasons change so abruptly and noticeably.
Like on time. Although if a season were to come on time, it's fall. The ones that don't come on time are spring and summer sometimes.
True.
Those are the ones that are, oh, come on, let's drag it over
waiting.
here. Meteorological summer makes more sense to me here than meteorological winter, which ends on March 1st, and that here just doesn't work.
No one buys
Because
that.
March is
More
such
like
a snowy.
May 1st.
Such a
You're
snowy.
just fooling yourself with that.
Yes, that doesn't count. We're going to talk about where this season ranked here in a few minutes. But yeah, you know, it is rare that literally on the first of the month you just change the air mass in a way that feels right. Dew points dropping into the 40s. Yesterday, if you were watching, I waxed poetically for a long time about what the clouds would look like today based on my experience with the front and being behind the front with dry air and this time of the year. They would look really dark underneath, like it was going to rain, but it wouldn't rain. And we had a ton of that today. You can see it on the satellite here, but underneath they were much darker looking cumulus clouds. They're diminishing rapidly. So tonight the story is it's going to be crisp to coolish as you head inland, especially into the mountains. We could drop into the upper 30s briefly in a place like Berlin. Eustis could get there as well. Range that you can see is depicted at 41. So it's going to get cool tomorrow morning, but then we go right back up into the 70s tomorrow afternoon, and that's one of the hallmarks of fall too, is a big temperature trend difference between the morning lows and the afternoon highs. So we're going to do that in a big way tomorrow. A lot of sunshine, beautiful day. And then Saturday, I think there's a few more clouds around than compared to Friday, so we'll call it partly cloudy. Temperatures 70 to 75 there and dry, and then we wait for this front to come through on Sunday afternoon and into Sunday night, which is fine. The only problem is that front looks like it's going to stall out a little bit here Sunday night into Monday. So here it is. I think we get the first half of Sunday in, and it's pretty good. And then some showers start coming in Sunday afternoon. Not everyone gets a shower. They're scattered. But look how it gets kind of hung up here between this high and another high and just kind of sits out here for a while. And that could produce some showers on Labor Day too, which originally I felt like we'd be able to clear it out. But you look at this model here Sunday night. Here's Monday morning, and it's still hanging over the southern half of the state. So I've got showers over the southern half of the state on Monday, and then clearing us out on Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday and Thursday, which look quite nice, actually, during that time period. Okay, so meteorological summer is over. Where do we rank? Second warmest summer on record in Portland. Third warmest summer on record in Bangor. And I'm not going to have a long discussion about this, but I will just say this. In January, we got a bunch of emails, people saying, man, this is such a cold January. It's got to be a top 10 coldest January, maybe even one of the coldest Januaries that I can remember. And it was the 24th coldest January. This summer was the second warmest summer. We came off the second warmest August, and nobody even noticed. Whether or not you realize it, you're just getting more and more used to that warmer climate over time. Soapbox, getting off it for now. Guys, I think overall this Labor Day weekend will be good, but I just worry about that front hanging a little too long on Monday morning. So I'm pessimistic at this time. I would love to change my mind on that. If the models will sweep it out fast enough, that would be good. But I'd rather play it this way and be able to take those showers out. We're watching Tuesday, which I think will be a mixture of sun and clouds right now. Then it gets really nice Wednesday, Thursday, probably into Friday, and we'll pop back into the 80s at that point. So tonight, when you think, man, summer over, it's getting a little coolish, we got more stuff coming.
Don't panic.
Yeah.
All right,
Thanks,
so Keith, here's my opinion. I know you're not asking. Here's
Yes.
my theory anyway.
Okay.
I think that most people are just so longing for warm weather.
That they just don't mind.
They don't have to move to Florida. It's just moving on up
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Right?
Well,
and
the reality is, outside the ecosystem aspect of it, a lot of people would sensibly enjoy a warmer climate in Maine. It's just complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Keith.